How to share reel to group chat on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share reels to group chat on Instagram. For that, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you will find various icons. Tap on this reel icon next to plus icon at the bottom right. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the reel section. From here, you will need to find the reel that you would like to send to the group chat. Once you have found the reel you would like to share, tap on this airplane-like icon just below messaging icon at the right sidebar. Once you find it, tap on it, and at the bottom you will find this window. Here you will need to select your group. If you didn't find it here, you can tap on the search bar and there type the name of your group. Once you find the group, tap on this little square at the right side of it and then tap on this send button at the bottom. Once doing that, now the reel will be sent to your group chat. To check it, you can tap on this home icon at the bottom left and at the top you will find the message icon. Tap on this message icon and here you can find your group. When you tap on it, there you will see the reel that you have sent to your group chat. So in this way you can share reels to group chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.